Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Seller Central, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Amazon Seller Central, start by visiting the Amazon Seller Central website. Click on the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. Select whether you want to create a new account or sign in with an existing Amazon account. If you choose to create a new account, provide your business email address and a password. After entering your details, click on Create Your Amazon Account. You will receive a confirmation email from Amazon. Check your email and click the link in the confirmation message to verify your account. Return to the Amazon Seller Central page and sign in with your newly created credentials. Once signed in, click on the Start Selling button. Next, choose between an individual or professional selling plan. The individual plan has no monthly fee and charges a per item fee, while the professional plan has a monthly subscription fee. Select the plan that best fits your selling needs and click Continue. Fill out your business information, including your legal name and business address. You will also need to provide a valid phone number for verification purposes. Amazon will send you a text message or call your phone number. Enter the code you received to confirm your phone number. Next, you'll need to provide your tax information. Have your social security number or employer identification number ready for this step. Complete any additional requested information regarding your business structure. Next, input your bank account details where Amazon will deposit your sales proceeds. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid payment issues. Follow the prompts to review your information and ensure everything is correct. Once you've double-checked your details, agree to Amazon's terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email indicating that your application is under review. Wait for Amazon to validate your information, a process that may take a few hours to a few days. Once approved, you will gain full access to your Amazon Seller Central account. You can now start listing products, managing inventory, and fulfilling orders on Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.